Welcome to the Explainer. So let's just get right into it. Are you completely done with Friday bank lines and the anxiety of losing a paper check? Because today we are ditching all of that for good. We're talking about the incredible ease, convenience, and absolute security of setting up direct deposit with Capital One. Whether you're starting a brand new job or you're just finally ready to modernize your finances with a bank known for excellent, fee-free digital services, this Explainer is your definitive step-by-step guide. By the end of this, you are going to know exactly how to make your money work faster and smarter.
Okay, we've got to talk about this massive perk right off the bat. How often do you get paid literally just for changing how you get paid? Well, if you open a new 360 checking account, you can actually snag a $250 bonus. You just do this by using the promo code CHECKING250 when you open the account and then setting up and receiving 2 direct deposits of $500 or more. I mean, that is a pretty phenomenal incentive just for routing your paycheck into a new fee-free account, right?
Now, let's look at the contrast here. The old way means waiting for payday, physically depositing a snail-mailed check, and, praying it clears before the weekend. But with Capital One's early paycheck feature, your direct deposit can be available to you up to 2 days sooner than your traditional payday. Just imagine having access to your hard-earned cash by Wednesday instead of waiting all the way until Friday.
So, here is our roadmap for the Explainer today. We're going to cover why choose direct deposit, gathering your account info, 3 ways to set up, verification and timelines, automating your savings, and finally, some final tips and wrap-up.
All right, part 1. Why choose direct deposit?
So if you've been on the fence, direct deposit isn't just a time saver, it is a massive upgrade to your financial security. No more worrying about a paper check getting lost in the mail or, stolen from your desk. The funds are transferred electronically and securely via the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH network. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with Capital One's fee-free 360 checking, which unlocks that incredible early paycheck feature we just talked about.
Moving right along to part 2, gathering your account info.
Before you even look at an employer's form, you really only need 3 key pieces of information to make this whole thing work. First up, your 9-digit routing number. Capital One uses a single nationwide routing number for ACH and direct deposits, which makes it super easy. Second, your unique account number. And third, your account type. Now, accuracy is absolutely everything here. One of the most common mistakes is accidentally selecting checking when you actually meant to route to a savings account, which can bounce your entire paycheck. So definitely double-check these numbers in your Capital One mobile app or online account to prevent any payroll errors.
Okay, part 3. 3 ways to set up.
So how do you actually submit this info to your employer? Well, you've got 3 distinct channels. A fully digital HR portal, like Workday or ADP, is the fastest and most secure. You literally just type your numbers right into their website. If they need an actual file, the app-generated form guarantees 0 typos. Or if your HR is a bit old school, you can use the manual blank form, though that does run the risk of human error when you're writing in your numbers by hand.
If you want the absolute easiest method that prevents typos, generating a form straight from the app is going to be your best friend. Just open your Capital One mobile app and authenticate. Select your checking account, scroll to the I Want To menu and hit View All. From there, tap Set Up Direct Deposit and select Get Form. The app instantly generates a secure, digitally pre-populated PDF with all your correct info that you can just hand over or email to HR. Honestly, it's flawless.
Now, if your HR department specifically requires you to fill out physical paperwork by hand, no problem at all. You can download this exact blank direct deposit form directly from the Capital One website. You'll just print it, fill out your company info, your employee details, check the box for your Capital One bank entity, write in your numbers, and sign it. Often companies will ask for a voided check to verify your account, but submitting this official signed Capital One document almost always fulfills that exact same requirement.
All right, part 4. Verification and timelines.
Once you've submitted your form, when does the magic actually happen? Well, patience is totally key here. After you hand in your form on day 1, it can take up to 2 pay cycles for the direct deposit to fully take effect as your employer verifies the routing. During this time, they might even send a tiny test deposit just to confirm the connection. Now, if you are going for that $250 bonus, keep your eye on the calendar. You have a 75-day window from opening your account to receive those 2 qualifying $500 deposits. Once you hit that, Capital One assesses your status, and you can expect that bonus deposited within 135 days of account opening.
And a super quick note on early paycheck. Keep in mind, while it is an amazing feature, you might not always see your money arrive exactly 2 days early. Capital One makes the funds available as soon as they receive the electronic notice, but this entirely relies on when your employer actually sends those payment instructions. So if your payroll department happens to be running a little late, your early paycheck might be a little less early that week.
Part 5. Automating your savings.
Now that your money is flowing in automatically and reliably, how do we put those funds to work behind the scenes? Well, Capital One offers fantastic autosave tools to link your new checking direct deposit right to a 360 performance savings account. You have 3 really brilliant rules to choose from. The paycheck percentage rule instantly skims a set percentage, say 10%, straight into savings the second your paycheck hits. Or think of the autopilot rule as your own personal, silent financial assistant. It constantly monitors your checking balance and silently moves small amounts over when your balance is looking high. Or, you can just set up standard recurring transfers for fixed dollar amounts. This is exactly how you build an emergency fund without ever having to think about it.
And finally, Part 6. Final tips and wrap-up.
Just a quick disclaimer as we wrap things up. This explainer is for informational purposes. Since every employer's HR software is unique, you should always verify your specific payroll requirements directly with your HR department or Capital One. Oh, and pro tip, you can easily set up notifications in your Capital One app to alert you the exact moment your direct deposit lands, which is just a really great way to monitor your payroll consistency. So, we've covered the security, the setup, and all those incredible perks. And I want to leave you with this. When your paycheck starts arriving up to 2 days early, what are you going to do with that head start? Are you going to aggressively fund a vacation? Or maybe let autopilot silently build up your emergency safety net? Drop your strategy in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy banking!